All right, I started off with 1 slice of ham in each of my muffin cups. Next, I'm coming in with my pepperoni slices, and we're gonna add a pepperoni slice right into our ham, just like so. Just kind of open up your ham and shove it in there. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious protein-filled snack. I love making this when, I need some extra protein in my diet. It's super tasty, super easy, and everyone will love it. You can make it for game day, you can make it for a lunch, you can make these for meal prep and keep them in your fridge. They are incredible. And you can kind of switch out the meats. If you don't like ham, you could do turkey, you could do chicken, but I think ham is gonna go great with all these other meats that we are adding in here. All right, now I'm coming in with my ground Italian sausage that I pre-cooked, and we're gonna add a scoop of that sausage right on top of our pepperoni. I told you guys these were meat filled. I absolutely love Italian sausage, so that was an obvious choice when adding my meats to my little cups. So we're just adding about a tablespoon of Italian sausage into each of these cups. I did cook a pound of this Italian sausage, but if I don't use it all for this recipe, I'll probably use it for some spaghetti because I love Italian sausage with spaghetti as well.
That sausage smells delicious.
Oh yeah. I did the mild, but you could do the hot, or you could do a ground beef if you prefer beef over pork. Okay, last one. Ooh, that one was the messiest one yet. Now for my favorite part. We have some Baby Bell cheese. Best cheese in the world. And we're gonna put a whole Baby Bell round in each of our little ham cups. Oh, wow. This is just gonna be melty and delicious. And it's more protein. Oh, I am so excited to eat these. They're gonna be so yummy. And just like with the meats, you could do a different cheese. You could do a Colby Jack cube. You could do a cheddar cube. You can get some mozzarella string cheese. But I personally love a Baby Bell, even though I don't even know what kind of cheese a Baby Bell is, but I'm not worried about it.
Pretty sure it's mozzarella.
Whatever it is, it's delicious. Now I have here some marinara. You can use whatever marinara you like. You can even make your own homemade marinara. And I have a tablespoon scoop, and we're gonna add a tablespoon right on top of our Baby Bell. Ooh, these cups are getting stacked. Oh, I absolutely love this Newman's Own, however you say it, marinara.
Newman's Own.
It's super affordable and super delicious. It is probably the best bang for your buck. I usually like Rayo's, but it's $8 nowadays, and that's a little too much for me. All right, let's go ahead and finish scooping these up. The marinara smells delicious. The sausage smells delicious. Oh, I am ready to eat.
These look phenomenal.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're finishing these off with some Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and take our little cheese out. I actually am not gonna take the whole thing. Woo! All right, and I just broke it so it'd be easier to grate on top of our little cups. And we're just gonna do a nice little grated Parmesan right on top. You can buy the already grated, but you guys are always telling me that grating your own is better. So I decided I could grate my own Parmesan since the Baby Bell is, all set to go and I didn't have to touch those. Oh, I cannot wait. I know I keep saying that, but this is gonna be incredible. Protein-packed snack. Okay. How do you feel? Do you think that's enough Parmesan?
I mean, personally, I want more cheese everywhere I go, but I'm pretty sure the average human would like this.
All right, I think that looks good. All right, so my oven is set to 400, and these are gonna be in there for 20 minutes. Oh my, look at that cheese. The meat, everything looks absolutely incredible. I did let these cool for about 10 minutes, and I think they're ready to enjoy. So I'm just gonna use my spoon and kind of get right under. Oh, and they can just come out perfectly. I didn't grease the pan or anything. That ham just really holds our little protein cups together. Don't they look amazing, babe?
Oh, wow, they're holding up shape too.
Oh yeah, that cheese really helps the ham stay together. Ooh, I cannot wait to try these. Like I said, these would be great for football, be great for a party. It is just honestly good for anything. Okay, let's see how many. We could probably fit one more on our platter. Look at that. Okay, I think it's time to give it a try. I think I'm gonna go for this one right here.